Pruning is an essential skill that every gardener should master. It is the process of selectively trimming and cutting back plants to promote their overall health, shape, and productivity. By understanding the art of pruning and employing the right techniques, you can transform your garden into a thriving and visually appealing space. In this video, we will explore some valuable tips and techniques for successfully pruning. 1. Understand the purpose. Pruning serves various purposes, including shaping plants, controlling size, removing dead or diseased branches, and improving airflow and sunlight penetration. Before you begin pruning, identify your goals for each plant. This will guide you in making the right decisions during the pruning process. 2. Timing is key. Timing plays a crucial role in pruning. It is important to prune at the appropriate time of year, as different plants have specific pruning requirements. Generally, the best time to prune flowering shrubs is after they have finished blooming, while dormant plants are often pruned in late winter or early spring. 3. Use the right tools. Investing in high-quality pruning tools is essential. Sharp and clean cutting tools such as hand pruners, loopers, and pruning saws ensure precise cuts and minimize damage to plants. Remember to sanitize your tools with a disinfectant between cuts, especially when working with diseased plants to prevent the spread of pathogens. 4. Start with dead and diseased branches. Begin by removing any dead, damaged, or diseased branches. These branches not only detract from the overall appearance of the plant, but can also harbor pests and diseases. Pruning them off promotes healthier growth and prevents further issues. 5. Shape with care. Pruning for shape helps maintain the desired form and size of plants. Whether you want a formal symmetrical shape or a more natural informal look, start by removing any crossing or rubbing branches. Then selectively trim branches to achieve the desired shape, keeping in mind the plant's growth habit and natural form. 6. Avoid overpruning. Overpruning can weaken plants and make them more susceptible to stress and disease. Avoid removing more than 1/3 of the plant's foliage in a single pruning session. It's better to prune lightly and regularly throughout the year than to perform heavy pruning all at once. 7. Understand growth patterns. Understanding how plants grow can help you make informed pruning decisions. Some plants produce new growth from the base, while others grow from the tips of branches. By identifying the growth patterns, you can selectively prune to encourage new growth where needed or control growth in specific areas. 8. Consider fruit trees. Pruning fruit trees is vital for promoting healthy fruit production. Techniques such as thinning branches, removing water sprouts, and shaping the canopy can maximize sunlight exposure, enhance air circulation, and improve fruit quality. Consult specific pruning guidelines for different fruit tree varieties. By employing the right tips and techniques, you can master the art of pruning and create a healthy, beautiful garden that brings you joy for years to come.